Welcome to the Murray & Roberts OMS3 introductory video. This video is your guide to the new generation 3 of the group's opportunity management system and covers a brief overview of the system, familiarization with the new environment, getting started, and system support and training. Murray & Roberts is South Africa's leading engineering, contracting and construction services company, with a primary focus on the resources-driven construction markets in industry, mining, oil and gas and energy in Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Australasia, and North and South America. We aspire to deliver world-class fulfillment in everything we do through our commitment to sustainable earnings growth and value creation. The Murray & Roberts Opportunity Management System, or OMS, was initiated in 2005 by the Group Chief Executive as a tool to regulate the entry of risk into the group by filtering project opportunities against a predefined risk appetite.
OMS notifies us of appropriate red opportunities requiring approval, as well as subsequent changes to risk profiles requiring further authorization.
At Hall Longmore, OMS forces us to identify and review important tender information which could potentially expose the group and the company to unnecessary risk at an early stage.
To this end, OMS 1 was developed to address the need for fundamental corporate control of all pipeline opportunities. This was soon followed by OMS 2, which, through the addition of a workflow element, provided a management tool for the project pipeline and supported growing business requirements across the group. As the system's maturity and utilization increased, it became apparent that the initiative could be extended to support the implementation of the group's framework for standardized project delivery. The framework provides for a defined project lifecycle, commencing at the market stage, progressing through the pipeline and subsequent execution phases, and finally culminating in the finish phase. This philosophy sets the minimum standard for group-wide performance assurance and promotes and shares best management practices across the group. OMS 3 will evolve to support this framework through the facilitation of various business processes and controls. These new modules will typically include performance management, client relationship management, market analysis, project closeout, lessons learned, and knowledge management.
The framework for standardized project delivery provides a set of controls and processes against which group-wide assurance can be tested.
I welcome the launch of OMS 3, incorporating the group framework for project delivery, particularly as this will lead to a formalized monitoring of the execution phase of the project.
OMS 3 initially replicates the functionality of OMS 2. It is, however, underpinned by a revised database infrastructure of interconnected modules, contributing to the maturity of technology, redundancy, and disaster recovery. System access has also been improved through the introduction of additional server resources. The system has been configured to cater for an expanded matrix of roles and responsibilities in line with the group's evolving organizational structure. New super-use roles have been introduced, taking overall responsibility for the market, pipeline, execute, and finish phases of each project. The OMS 3 operating environment has been expanded to include 3 distinct user interfaces. These are online, offline, and via BlackBerry handheld devices. The online interface. This interface provides the user with a web-based environment similar to that of previous OMS versions. New general elements to the online environment include direct links to the My Workspace portal, a comprehensive search function, customizable dashboards, and a variety of system-generated reports. New to the OMS environment is the Menu tab, located and always present to the left of any screen within the system. Through the Menu tab, the user is able to easily return to the My Workspace screen or access the different system modules. The offline interface. The offline interface allows the user to interact with the system via Microsoft Outlook. It provides the additional benefit of performing OMS transactions whilst being offline, reducing the dependency on internet connectivity. The new data is then stored in the outbox and transmitted to the OMS server once the connection is restored. Offline interaction is facilitated using a new OMS toolbar, which will now appear in each user's conventional Microsoft Outlook environment. The toolbar allows the user to access the My Workspace portal to view standard dashboards, maintain or add existing or new opportunities, as well as access the online OMS interface. The BlackBerry interface. An OMS 3 Lite application is provided via BlackBerry handheld devices. The OMS BlackBerry application will initially support the approval of opportunities. Being mobile, this will allow system access without the need for a computer.
The OMS has already become an established management tool within construction. No bid goes in unless it has been approved on the system.
I was part of the development of the project dashboard report, and it will be used by project managers and management of the company. The summary of this report will be presented and discussed at our future board meetings.
Getting started. The OMS is still accessed from the Murray & Roberts Interchange site via the online systems link on the landing page, or by clicking OMS Online on the new OMS Outlook toolbar. The system always opens up and depicts the My Workspace screen. My Workspace is then further categorized into My Portfolio and My Actions tabs. Clicking on the My Portfolio tab provides a list of the current opportunities for which the user is set up to access in accordance with their security profile, roles and responsibilities. Alternatively, clicking on the My Actions tab provides a list of those opportunities which currently await a variety of actions from the user. These could include approvals or completing a task assigned from the Activity Manager. In order to log a new opportunity, users access the Menu tab and select Opportunity Management, New Opportunity. This will direct them to the opportunity input screens. The input screens and system information for each opportunity are represented in 7 information tabs spanning across the top of the page. The Details describes the general descriptive opportunity data. The Actions tab acts as the decision point for the opportunity. The Risk Profile tab allows users to establish and update the risk profile, such as location and client, against the predetermined risk appetite. All team members working on the opportunity team are selected and assigned to the opportunity under the Team tab. The Report tab makes the project-specific reports available for downloading. As before, an audit trail of every transaction is recorded under the Audit tab. The Activity Manager is a new work environment consisting of a library of forms and templates. These can be assigned to team members, either manually by the phase owners or automatically as embedded processes. As an example, a tax questionnaire has been developed by Group Tax. The system can be set to load the tax questionnaire in the event that an opportunity's country status is amber or red. In this way, the group can build key lessons learned into the project delivery processes. System support. Various system support initiatives have been established to assist in the rollout of OMS 3. In addition to this introductory video, a range of interactive e-learning modules, as well as a printed training manual, have been developed introducing users to basic functionality and operating elements of the system. These are available online, via the System Help function, or offline through CD copies. The Murray & Roberts Group Shared Services Department will continue to provide desktop and OMS system support via their established help desk function. The help desk is manned during office hours, Central African Time, and is contactable via email or telephonically.
As the executive responsible for the SADC construction cluster, the OMS assists me in directing our market engagement to maximize our opportunities and yield the best results for the cluster.
OMS is growing into a technology platform that will enable the group to better leverage off our collective market knowledge, supporting the management of our strategic relationships with multinational clients.
OMS has evolved from a corporate control into an established group-wide management tool. The system is set to become a competitive advantage for the group as it grows to support the framework for standardized project delivery.